Are you on the hunt for your dream home, but feeling overwhelmed by all the choices out there? Let's break down the most popular house types so you can find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. First up, the classic single-story house. It's easy to maintain and perfect if you've got elderly family members or just want to avoid stairs altogether. But keep in mind, you'll need more land, and if you ever want to expand, your options are limited. Now, if you want to maximize your space without gobbling up the whole yard, check out the two-story house. You'll get more living area on a smaller footprint, but you might end up paying more for construction and maintenance, especially with those stairs. Craving some peace and quiet? A bungalow could be your haven. Spacious open layouts make it ideal for relaxation, but they're usually on bigger plots, which can mean higher costs. Townhouses are great if you want to be in the heart of the action. Efficient use of space, and you'll save on land. But you might sacrifice some privacy, since you'll likely share walls with neighbors. Apartments are perfect for city lovers. Affordable, low maintenance, and close to everything. Just remember, outdoor space is limited and monthly fees can add up. Dreaming of wide open spaces? Farmhouses offer a peaceful escape and room to grow, but you'll be farther from city life and dealing with more land upkeep. If luxury is your thing, villas bring space and stunning amenities, but be ready for a bigger investment. For cozy storybook charm, cottages are ideal, especially if you love nature. Just keep in mind, space is tight, so it's not great for big families. Duplexes offer flexibility, live in one unit, rent the other, or keep family close by. But privacy can be tricky, and the design's more complex. And if you're feeling adventurous, container houses are eco-friendly and quick to build, but temperature control and size can be challenging. So which one feels like home to you? Let me know in the comments, and happy house hunting!